friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will make varnish. Do you know what is varnish? Varnish is clear, transparent, hard protective coating or film which is applied on the wood or any surface. Varnish can prevent scratches on tabletops as well as waterproofing the wood. It can also prevent wooden surfaces from getting scratched. It increases the life of wood and it gives shyness on the surface. The price of varnish in the market is very high, but today we will make it in a very low cost with a very high quality. And friends, it is very easy to make varnish. You can make it yourself sitting at the corner of your house. Friends, today we will make transparent varnish. I will tell you how to make it colored also, because both transparent as well as colored varnish are available in the market. Friends, today I will make varnish in a full practical video, and I will also show you the raw materials, and the quantity of raw materials will be shown on the screen. So friends, please watch full video and please don't skip in between the video. Friends, you can follow me on Instagram also. I will give the link of Instagram in the description box. Now friends, let's start. The first raw materials for making varnish is petrol. See, I have taken petrol in it. You can purchase petrol from the petrol pump, or you can buy petrol from the local industrial chemical shops. Second raw material is alkyd resin. See, this is alkyd resin. I am adding in this petrol. Now I am adding mixed dryer in it. See friends, your varnish is ready. Now I am applying it on the wood. So friends, see the result after applying varnish. Friends, see the difference. This is the place where I have not applied varnish. So friends, isn't it easy to make varnish? Yes. All the raw materials which are used in making varnish are easily available in the local industrial chemical shops, and they are not very costly. So the product will be very low in cost, and the quality of varnish will be very good. So by applying varnish on the wood, it will increase the life of wood. You can purchase raw materials for making varnish online also, but the cost will differ. It is better to buy from the local industrial chemical shops because the price of raw materials are less there, and if you buy in bulk, the price is very less. Friends, remember one important point. After making varnish, immediately transfer it in a box or in a bottle because varnish is volatile, and close the lid tightly. Otherwise, it will evaporate. Friends, as you know, today I have shown you how to make transparent varnish. If you want to make it colored, please add any color. You can add color matching the shade of the wood. Means if the wood is dark in color, you can add dark color, and if the wood is light shade, you can add light color matching with that wood. So that's how you can make colored varnish. Friends, you can do business of varnish also. The business of varnish will be very profitable because it is very easy to make varnish. No bigger space is required. You can start your business from your home also. It's only a mixing process, and the raw materials are easily available in the local industrial chemical shops. The demand of varnish is also very high, and the production cost is very low. So the net profit will be very high. Different types of bottles and boxes are available in the market. You can purchase them according to your choice and simply make varnish and fill in them and paste a label of your company name on it. Then give to your dear friends and relatives and ask their feedback. If their feedback is good, then you can go to the nearby shops and ask the seller to sell your product. They will ask for some commission, give some commission, so then they will sell your product. So you can try it. Friends, if you like my video, please click the like button and please share my video with all your friends and relatives, and please subscribe my channel. After clicking the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon also. After pressing the bell icon, you will see three options on the screen. Please press the all button, which will be shown on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification of my new video whenever I make a new video in future. So please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.